welcome back to my channel. So we finna make strawberries, girl. Okay, so first of all, I have some pink chocolate I got from Michael's, I believe, and some strawberries and whatever, and some strawberry sticks, but it's actually candy apple sticks, but we ain't gonna talk about that. But yeah, and some sprinkles too, girl. Okay. And I wanted to do light chocolate. I mean, not light, but light pink chocolate. So I mixed the pink with white chocolate to make light pink chocolate. Okay. So my little process I was doing, actually technique, you know what I'm saying? I dip it and then I twirl it around and whatever. And then I place it on the little piece, the little pan. Cause I didn't feel like doing the whole parchment paper because I've been doing this quite a few times now. And I feel like me doing it this way is much better and it doesn't leave like a whole lot of drippage behind. You know what I'm saying? Y'all, follow me, girl. Y'all understand what I'm talking about. But yeah, so I just like to twirl it and whatever and let it drip a little bit and then put the sprinkles on. Okay, and I got my sprinkles, I believe, from... I think Michael's. Yeah, I got it from Michael's, okay? So, yeah. And I got my sticks from, I think, Walmart or Kroger. I believe. Girl, I forget. Just get you some sticks, okay? Because they have it either Michael's, Walmart, or Kroger, okay? But, yeah. But girl, it's very simple and easy. You want to put it in the mug. I like putting my chocolate in the mug instead of putting it on the stove and whatever. That's the merch. So I put it in the mug and I put it in there for like 60 minutes, okay? Or, no, 60 minutes. I almost said the hour, girl. Where did I get it from? But anyway. But yeah, so I put it in there for 60 minutes. And then, no, not 60 minutes, girl. What is you talking about? Girl? 60 seconds, okay? Okay, but yeah, 60 seconds. And then, I take it out, and then I stir it up, and then I put it up in there for another, like, 60 seconds, maybe, or a minute or something. And then I put some cooking oil in it to make the chocolate more smoother, okay? And with this type of chocolate, the way the consistency of it she got the word but yeah, the consistency of the chocolate, it was very loose, okay, than what I was expecting it to be, but I still worked with it. It still was good and whatever. I feel like either way, you just have to make sure you get all the excess is the excess chocolate, child? Which one? All the little drippity drop. Okay, drip, drop chocolate. All that, make sure you get all that extra chocolate off, okay? So yeah. But girl, this was very simple. I just wanted to do something special and everything for my bookies and everything. You know what I'm saying? But I hope y'all enjoy this video and whatever. Y'all can see I was feeling myself and whatever. Because, girl, she was getting these chocolates. Oh, like she was getting these little chocolate strawberries up there, okay? I mean, listen. I was doing it, okay? Look at me. Look at the wrist when I put the sprinkles on there, girl. Yes, boo. Can you tell, like, I have come a long way, okay? From the first time I've been doing these strawberries. I'm going to put a link or like a little picture or something up here. Because the first time I did, chocolate covered strawberries, don't tell nobody. But they look very ratchet and janky. And who did it? What for? Girl, sit down somewhere, put your hands on your lap and look cute, okay? And shut up, be on mute. You know what I'm saying? Oh, girl, they were so ugly. I think my mistake, I took the greenery off the strawberries, and that's what made it look a little bit janky. I learned, keep the greenery on strawberries, because that's what makes the strawberry chocolate covered strawberries look more professional and cuter and more edible, okay, in Jesus' name. All right, but yeah, so this is the last two chocolate little strawberries I'm doing. And I just did a whole little cartoon. Okay? That's it. That's all. None more, none less. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to DF from DK4L. I love you, boo. But yeah. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and everything and whatever. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what y'all want to see. Oh, another thing. YouTube, girl. If y'all see these comments disabled, that is not me, okay? That is all YouTube, okay? That's not she, me, her, Christy Morgan, okay? That's YouTube. So if my stuff is, disabled and off and whatever, child, I'm sorry, okay? But this is the finished look, the finished product right here. And in this second clip, girl, you finna see the real tea, okay? You finna see the real finished product, okay, girl? Just give it time. Just give it time. Just watch. Watch. Just watch. Boom! Here she is, right here, okay? Look at it. Look at it. Okay, ain't it cute? Ain't it look how fancy and everything? It's like something off of Pinterest somewhere. You know what I'm saying? Girl, go sit down somewhere. Go sit down somewhere. But yeah, y'all. I love y'all. And another video will be posted next week. Okay, and I hope you guys like this video. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Tell your friends, tell your boos, tell everybody about this channel, okay? We trying to get to at least 300 subscribers. I'm just saying. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, I love y'all and whatever. Yeah. Ain't nothing else to say at this point. But, like it, boo.